In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product collection in Shopify. We'll walk through this together step by step so that by the end, you'll have a neatly organized collection ready to use in your online store. This is really useful for grouping similar products like new arrivals, sale items, or summer collection, and it also helps customers browse more easily. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you usually see an overview of your store's performance, recent activity, and shortcuts to common tasks. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see your main navigation menu. In that left panel, click on Products. This is where all your existing items live, and it's also where you manage things like inventory and pricing. Once the Products page loads, you'll notice a sub-menu or additional options under the Products heading. In that same area, click on Collections. Collections are essentially groups of products that you decide to display together. After you click on Collections, you'll be taken to a page that lists any collections you've already created. If this is a brand new store, this list might be empty, and that's completely fine. Next, look for the button that says Add Collection and click it. This opens up a new page where you can define all the details about this new collection. At the top of this page, you'll see a field for the title. Type in the name of your collection here. Choose something clear and descriptive, like winter jackets or bestsellers, because this title will often appear on your storefront and help customers understand what they're looking at. Below that, you'll see an option for collection type. Make sure this is set to manual. Leaving it as manual means you'll be able to choose exactly which products appear in this collection, instead of having Shopify automatically pull them in based on conditions. This gives you more control, especially if you want to curate a specific set of items. Scroll further down and you'll see a section for search engine listing. Here you can edit the title and description that search engines, like Google, will show for this collection. Take a moment to write a short, clear description that includes keywords people might use when searching for these products. You'll also have the option to add an image for your collection. This can be a single image that represents the theme of the collection, such as a lifestyle photo or a product group shot. A strong image can make your collection look more professional and visually appealing on your storefront. Once you're happy with your title, settings, search engine listing, and image, scroll up or down to find the Save button and click it. After saving, your new collection is created and ready to be populated with products. And that's it. You've successfully created a new manual collection in Shopify.